How are we, YouTube? George here, and we're back here with Gary's Jentec Mark 5. So this radio is here quite a while because it gave quite a lot of trouble, and it's all sorted now. So it was down with Ray a couple of times. Originally this had a red display, but there was a segment gone in one of the digits, and of course they couldn't be got in red, so we had to change it to green. And Ray had quite a lot of work to do with this. It was VCO issues, and because there was two bands missing and stuff like that. So she's back to where she should be now, and looking resplendent in its chrome cases. All new case screws, M3 Torx and stainless, all the usual stuff. Custom Jentec meter, and a good clean. Done all the lines on the knobs in green to match the display, and she looks quite good. Even see the underside, all chrome as well. And these are good chrome cases because they seem to have some sort of a protective coating on them, like a clear plastic or something like that. I'm not sure what it is, but the normal ones, no, you just do that, you leave fingerprints all over it. But personally, I'm not a fan of chrome cases, but and turn on the lights. In this case, you know, they look good on it, I think. So definitely one for the collection. So anyhow, we've all our bands back, so it starts, let's see, when you turn it off, oh wait, no, got the wrong knob. It might remember now because it has power applied to it. Yeah, when it's been disconnected from the power supply, it goes back to, starts off at 26 like that. So it's 26, 27, 28 and 29. So it goes all the way up to 29,999. So this radio will step in 1 kc increments like that. Then you can flip the switch here. You can go on 10. And it also has a squelch scan feature on it, which will work in both settings. So it'll scan up. And it's hooked into the squelch, so when it hears something, it will stop. I wonder if we flick that to 10. Yeah, she's going in 10s now. Let's turn up the squelch a bit to get rid of that. And also, you can scan down the way. So once you set your 5, you can flip it back to 10. Okay, so have it on a 555 here. Have the Super Snake listening. We're on AM. 1 2 1 2 check check 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 check check 1 2 audio check 1 2 3 4 5 check check. And we'll go to upper sideband. 1 2 1 2 check 1 2 3 4 5 check check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So I discovered here yesterday that my antenna switch died after I had this God knows how many years, and it was God knows how many years old when I got it, so to get a new one. I was wondering why I couldn't hear anything. And Billy, you see I've shoehorned your amp in here just to play with it, and it seems to be working. I was talking all over Europe on this thing yesterday, so yeah, see there's nothing happening. We'll turn this one off. It's quiet this morning.
X-ray Alpha Fox,
We're here on 10 meters. We're stationed in Greece. He's just finishing up a QSO here.
Come back, please. Roger, David, thank you very much for the working condition, for the whole information. Just for your information, it's the ICOM 7300. I have a lot of compliments for my audio, the modulation, but it's only the little one, the microphone, and just the adjustments on the radio, nothing else. But it's very, very nice. I enjoyed this radio. The antenna is Cobscan Alpha 3 Sierra. It's about 12 meters from the ground. And I use about 300, 400 watts at the moment, Dave. So, thank you very much. Enjoy the day. And who knows, maybe see you again soon. Golf Zero, Oscar Mike Kilo, Sugar Victor Zero, X-Ray Alpha Fox. 73, David. Bye-bye, David. It's very good choice. Don't make any imitation, but I enjoy it in the radio. This is Sugar Victor Zero, X-Ray Alpha Fox from Echo Uniform 6-7. Call it 10 and stand by. Kilo, the station was my Kilo, the suffix, right?
Excellent signal staying with the 100 watts. And 73, enjoy the X and good luck. Hope to meet you soon. Staying in Norway. Appreciate. Lima Alpha 4, Golf Mike Alpha, India Tango 9, Victor Papa Tango, 73, good luck with the X, Staying. Yes, I know, Lincoln. Okay, excellent, President, and radio. Okay, very fine. Okay, 73, ciao, Steve. Enjoy the X.
Two nine Golf Delta 01. 29 Golf Delta 01. Three zero Echo India 006. 29 Golf Delta 01. Over.
I do hear a station in the back of the box, but you're too low to get a read on you there.
29 Golf Delta 01. 29 Golf Delta 01.
Yeah, I don't think the propagation is quite good enough there. I do know it. You tried to call me there, but I just can't get you. We'll have another listen there. Try again, my friend.
30 Echo India 006. 29 Golf Delta 01. Over.
I get 29 and the 01. 29 and the 01. Hang on. I'm going to turn up the DSP filter.
29 Golf Delta 01. 29 Germany Denmark 01. 29 Golf Delta 01. Over.
Okay, I got the 29 that time. Delta 01. 001. Is that correct?
Yeah, roger that, roger that. Band is not very good this morning. Just said I'd let you know you were being heard in Central Ireland. Name here is George Golf Echo Oscar Radio Golf Echo QDH Athlone, over.
George in Athlone. Is that the famous George I know in Athlone? A man with many radios. Go ahead. Oh, good.
Yeah, indeed. I'm just running a Jentec on the bench here. Jentec Mark 5. And just recorded a bit of video here, so you'll probably hear yourself later on, over.
Nice one, George. George, yeah, I would have worked you there from Kildare back in the day. I would have worked you from Kildare. This is Dave, Delta Alpha Victor Echo. And you would have heard me in QSO with Billy there, and Carlo, and a couple of the lads. And past the ball, lads. But yeah, I did license there about 10 years ago, George. But we're living over here in Spain these days, right?
Yeah, very fine. Bit of QSB on the transmission there, but what can you do? But yeah, nice to hear you, Dave. And I've heard you there fairly regular of late, so you do send a good signal this side when the band is playing ball, over.
Yeah, I have a great location here, George. I'm after getting a box of goodies there. My mate Noel sent me there. Noel from Leash. You would have worked him at 11 meters. I don't think any of his radios are open on 11 anymore, but if he had one there, he probably still use 11, yes, but yeah, Noel sent me a lovely box of goodies there from Leash. So I got my MFJ tuner, a couple of switches, and this lovely noise system from EHI. I'm sure you know it, George. The DSP inline filter, it's the 1031. I hope I'm not waffling too long for the conditions. Go ahead there, George.
Yeah, very fine, Dave, no problem. Yeah, I had one of those, but when I got the 7300 it became redundant, so I sold it on. But very effective unit, so there you are. Well, anyway, I won't hold it with you, and thanks for the QSO. As I said, we'll do it. Oh, right, of course, ran out of storage space there with the camera, it's full. So I was chatting to Dave there. He's in Spain, formerly from Ireland, so it was nice to chat to him. Pity the band is not a bit better, but what can you do? So that's pretty much it. Gary, she's ready to roll, and hope you enjoy it. Have fun with it. Very good radio on 10 meters. I was talking all over the place on this yesterday on 10 meters. Pretty much all the way across Europe, so great piece of kit on 10 meters. Anyway, we'll get you in the next one. Bye-bye.
One.